Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about logarithm 2.1, that is Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Now we have to write a logarithm that converts a Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit temperature. The formula to do this is F equals to 9 divided by 5 multiplied by C, that is Celsius, plus 32. So this logarithm should ask for the input of the Celsius temperature, that is C, and then will display the temperature converted to Fahrenheit, that is F. The logarithm should perform the following. It will declare the necessary variables and constants, initialize the constants, clearly prompt the input of the Celsius temperature, perform the necessary calculation, display the Fahrenheit temperature clearly labeled, use real variables for temperatures, no more than 2 decimal places, use a comment block for your name, lab, and date at the top of the flowchart. Now, let's begin. On the right hand side of my screen, you can see this logarithm console panel, the logarithm platform. And on the left hand side, you can see the Java code that is required to understand how to do this logarithm. So, however, this code is being encouraged for the student to write for better understanding of creating the logarithm. However, they are not required to write the code for this class. So for downloading the Java code, you can also go to this link where you can download the Java code. It's over here. And so let's go line by line. So as you can see, this logarithm platform has main and end. That means we are just beginning with it. And we will go line by line by reading the code on the left hand side, that is by reading the Java code. So we have taken public class Celsius to Fahrenheit, then it's public static void main string args. Then since it's a scanner class, we have taken new scanner system.in. And now what we are going to do is we are going to print our query, that is system.out.println, enter the value of temperature in Celsius. And then we have initialized Celsius. That is, Celsius is in double. So what we are going to do, we have to declare the variable in double. For that, we have to choose this, to click here, and you have to click real, and we have to name it as Celsius. Click OK. Then since we are asking for to enter the value of temperature in Celsius, we are actually asking for the input of the Celsius temperature. So we have to put input. We have to print over here Celsius. We have to enter the variable name. You can also make it in code, like in the Java code, enter the value of the temperature in Celsius. And actually it's a string because it's under the quotation. So let's begin. I'm just writing Celsius over here. Then you will have to take Fahrenheit. You have to initialize Fahrenheit as well, because in the formula, what we have seen is F equals to 9 by 5, 9 divided by 5 multiplied by Celsius plus 32. So what we are going to do is we have to declare Fahrenheit as well. Fahrenheit should also be in real, that is in double. Click OK. And then what we are going to do is we have to write the formula. So we have to assign the formula for Fahrenheit and Celsius. So what we are going to do is we have to click assign and then click inside this assign button. We have to write here Fahrenheit bracket 9 divided by 5 multiplied by Celsius plus 32. Click OK over here. And then this Java code is showing to print the value of temperature in Fahrenheit. And then we are actually formatting it up to 2 decimal point. So this we have to do by using two fixed as being shown in the instruction, and it was also being shown in the first video how to do that. So I will be stopping here as we would like the students to finish the rest of the logarithm chart. So just follow the same step for each remaining line of code. Create an entry in the logarithm chart until the final output is printed out. Be sure to run your logarithm and that you see the console window displaying the final output correctly. That is the temperature in Fahrenheit correctly. Take a screenshot of your logarithm chart and save it with your name, ID, and date. So let me show you this Java code when it runs. So let me just run it. So it's asking for enter the value of the temperature in Celsius. So for example, I am writing 32. So here is the temperature in Fahrenheit, which is exactly uh, being up to 2 decimal places. Thank you.